Hey guys, and welcome into today's video. My name is Jason and today we are going to be talking about Nndm stock. Now if you're wondering where I disappeared over the last 4 or 5 days, unfortunately I had an accident. It was minor and I had written my car off. So I have been looking for a new car and fighting the insurance to get everything sorted, and I haven't had time until today to get a quick update out for you. So we are going to be reviewing the charts technically with some new price predictions for Nndm moving forward. We're going to be talking about what Cathie Wood has been doing with her Nndm stock and also where she is currently holding it in some of her funds. So if you could do me a huge favour, if you are new, then welcome to this channel of investors. Go down there and be sure to smash that subscribe button for me and also hit that like button. And again, I look forward to seeing you guys on a lot of our updates. We talk about growth and innovation and we do a lot of technical work on the charts on some of our videos. So if you are someone that is primed for innovation and growth, then make sure you are subscribed to this channel. So guys, I firstly want to talk about Nndm stock, where we are right now at $6.25, and look at what Cathie Wood has been doing with the stock. Now if we look at what Cathie Wood at ARK Invest has been doing, she has continued to accumulate shares since she did in fact sell this at the very beginning of this year. She has been buying and buying and buying millions and millions more shares up, guys, and the price of Nndm stock has been going down. So Cathie Wood has been buying this stock, like I said, and she has an average price, guys, of around $8.23. The price currently is actually well below that at $5.78 just a week ago, and it has now come back down. So if we look at today's price predictions, we can see in the pre-market that Nndm stock is actually up to $6.21, and we are now actually crossing over for the first time in a few months into the 50 to 70 area on the RSI, and we are now above that 50 and 100-day moving averages. So if we in fact use this now to test back down onto a layer of support, we can in fact expect a bounce up to around that 200-day moving average, and we could in fact retest into those highs of $9 to $10 where we have in fact seen previous layers of resistance. Now this is all going to be down to when the RSI curls back to the 50 and if we in fact stay above this area, because once we do stay above this 50, guys, that shows me that we are then in bullish momentum, and that is what I like. We are now seeing a breakout, which is why I think Cathie Wood has in fact been buying up this stock over the last week, and like I said, over the last couple of months you guys can see that she has started to really load her boat and come down in her average price. Now if we look at what she's holding this in, she actually has this as position 18 right now, guys, in her autonomous tech and robotics ETF, and she has about 2.2% of her holding fund, which is quite high up considering that she has quite a lot inside this fund. And Nndm stock has sold off so much significantly since she was buying in. So again, if we expect this price to move up quite dramatically over the next 2 or 3 years, and we do come back up to a price of $10, this size is in fact going to double inside her portfolio very quickly, because again, it does have a small market cap of about 1.6 billion. Again, if we come onto Yahoo Finance, I was going through and looking through some of their financials. Unfortunately, I won't have time to go through them all just now, but we can still see that the price market cap is around 1.6 billion. So it's still got quite a relatively small market cap, and hopefully we get those earnings out soon, so we'll be able to see in fact where this stock is going. That's coming out, guys, very soon, so I'll be sure to do an update once we do get those earnings out. And you guys can also see that she is holding this as well in her next generation ETF, and this is position number 38 at 0.73%. So again, a lot of room to go. Once again, she does in fact decide whether she's going to accumulate more shares or not. Now technically, like I said, we can see some bullish momentum happening, which has now triggered my attention to in fact make this video. So I'm going to be watching this stock very closely over the next few weeks to see in fact if we are now going to use this 200-day moving average as of course a layer of resistance, or in fact we are going to have any type of double confirmation back down onto this layer of support, because this is going to be a very strong buy for me now, guys, if in fact we do not start to break down here fundamentally, because the activity from hedge funds has now shown that more hedge funds are starting to buy into this stock. If we come onto tip ranks, you guys can see here that hedge fund activity has increased over the last quarter by quite a few million shares. So again, this is just something to watch. Again, they are saying that this is a neutral smart score, so potentially this is not a buy or a sell, but again, they are just saying they are not sure in fact whether this stock is in negative territory. But like I said, analyzing the technicals, I can start to see some bullish momentum here as we are in fact starting to break out from this long area of consolidation consolidation where we were in fact downtrending onto this layer of support around the $5.30 mark. So that's what I am doing with the stock, guys. I haven't changed my position in Nndm as of late, so I will again be updating you guys as soon as we do have the earnings out, which are due out. If I click on here, we'll be able to see the earnings are due out on the 18th of November to the 21st. So that will be interesting to pay close attention to. If you are new, like I said, welcome to this channel. Make sure to go down there and subscribe to this channel. And again, don't forget to like this video. I hope that you guys did learn something new today in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know below in the comments. And if you are someone that is looking to buy Nndm, if you are in fact selling or holding, or you currently do have a position, then I would absolutely love to hear your comments below on what in fact you think is going to happen with this stock over the short and long term, and what you are currently doing with your position. My name is Jason. If you would like access to any of my private buy and sell alerts, then be sure to check out the links to the private Patreon. Guys, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have a fantastic day, guys, and I will see you soon. Ciao.